Alrighty guys, we're here at the Hub Tower here in Des Moines. Check this out. We got some Otis compass. Nope. Give it a sec. 13. I just push random floors. And we get the service elevator. This is pretty cool. Here we go. Wow. Now we had to go. This 15. I just pushed 15. I don't want you, but I'll find you anyway. This is pretty interesting. They give me the service car. 15th floor. Wow. Let's go ahead and go to the skywalk level then. So this compass.
Press the button repeatedly to increment. Floor 2. Proceed to car. F to the left.
This probably used to be Montgomery. Sorry. There we go. Whee! Cool. That was Otis Compass Plus. That was pretty cool. And I guess that is going to be it for me.